Hi, it's Jason Prekop from Snow with the Bunny, and today I am bringing you another unboxing. This one is of a magic kit I bought from Big W because most of you don't know this, but I'm interested in magic, and here's the magic kit. It came from on the Big W website, so I don't really know what it is. I do know what it is, sorry. And I'm really excited. It was only $20 and it comes with over 150 tricks. So here it is. I'm going to show you what's inside of it. I ordered this last Wednesday and it finally came. And that kind of is a long time considering it's a fast postage. So now how am I supposed to get this out when I'm stuck, it feels like. Got it. Anything else? No. So I came with this weird wand, apparently, and an instruction book, actually pretty detailed. A hat, and inside it is a bag full of tricks. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Sorry it's very quick, it's just I like to get things done very quickly, so hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye.